Forget everything you thought you knew about life on the road, because these mobile homes are on a whole new level. From futuristic designs and luxury interiors to off-grid powerhouses that can go anywhere, today we're exploring the most unique, innovative, and mind-blowing mobile homes you've probably never seen before. Whether you're a van life dreamer, a travel enthusiast, or just love clever design, this lineup will absolutely surprise you. Let's roll into the world of next-level mobile living. But first, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. The CMC ATHENA is a luxurious, custom-built living trailer offering an unparalleled living experience for those seeking elegance and functionality. The ATHENA boasts an aerodynamic profile with clean lines, ensuring a commanding and refined presence on the road. Its metallic gray exterior finish exudes modernity and sophistication, while large panoramic dark windows enhance its yacht-like appearance. A standout feature is the extendable and covered veranda, allowing occupants to enjoy private and comfortable outdoor spaces suitable for any season. Spanning an impressive area, the ATHENA offers more floor space than many apartments. Its lavish living area is suitable for various occasions, from business meetings to family gatherings. The spacious bathroom is designed to accommodate multiple users comfortably, making it ideal for group trips. Equipped with a terrace perfect for grill parties, the ATHENA combines size with comfort and convenience. The Golden Sky is a premium mobile home that harmoniously blends modern design with functional living spaces. This model is tailored for those seeking a luxurious, yet mobile living experience. The Golden Sky offers ample room with 2 bedrooms, a living room with a kitchenette, a bathroom, and a hallway. The home boasts a built-in terrace accessible from the living area and an expansive roof terrace, providing additional outdoor living spaces and panoramic views. The exterior combines wood and industrial elements, with a wooden facade exuding warmth and aluminum components adding a contemporary touch. The Golden Sky model has garnered popularity, with over 2,000 units sold across 16 countries, reflecting its appeal to a broad clientele. Its design caters to both permanent residences and vacation retreats, offering flexibility and comfort. The UNICAT MD-83H is a robust expedition vehicle engineered for extended off-road journeys, built upon the MAN TGS 33.5406x6 chassis. This combination offers a blend of durability, power, and self-sufficiency, making it suitable for traversing diverse terrains and remote locations. Features 540 horsepower engine, providing substantial power for demanding terrains. 6x6 all-wheel drive ensures enhanced traction and stability on uneven surfaces. Designed to offer comfort during long expeditions, featuring sleeping quarters, a kitchenette, and a bathroom. Equipped with water storage, filtration systems, and energy solutions to support extended off-grid living. Fitted with all-terrain tires suitable for various landscapes. Tailored for adventurers seeking a reliable and comfortable vehicle capable of handling the rigors of off-road exploration. The 28-foot Movable Roots trailer is a compact, high-quality tiny home built by Movable Roots, a company specializing in custom tiny homes on wheels. Designed for mobility, efficiency, and comfort, this trailer provides a fully functional living space in a small footprint. Built on a durable trailer chassis for mobility. Fully equipped with modern appliances, storage cabinets, and counter space. Includes a shower, toilet, and vanity, loft-style bed, or a main-floor bedroom option. The living area has an open floor plan with space for seating and entertainment. This tiny home on wheels is ideal for those looking for a minimalist lifestyle, a mobile home, or an affordable housing solution without compromising comfort and quality. The SLRV, Iveco Daily 4x4, 3480A is a compact yet rugged expedition vehicle designed for off-road travel and overland adventures. Built on the Iveco Daily 4x4 chassis, this motorhome offers durability, self-sufficiency, and modern comforts for long-term exploration. Designed to maximize space efficiency, with a combination of seating, a dining area, and a sleeping space. Fully equipped with a stove, sink, fridge, and storage compartments for meal preparation. Includes a shower, toilet, and sink, making it suitable for extended trips. SLRV offers custom builds, allowing buyers to tailor layouts, materials, and features to their needs. An excellent choice for adventurers, overlanders, and remote workers looking for a durable and capable vehicle to explore off-grid destinations. The Starliner SL25 is a luxurious, custom-built motorhome. Built on the Iveco daily chassis, the SL25 offers a blend of compact design and expansive living space, making it a standout in the motorhome market. Based on the Iveco daily platform, the SL25 boasts a fully integrated design with a monolithic fiberglass body shell, ensuring durability and a sleek appearance. Provides ample capacity for various amenities and customizations. Offers bespoke interior layouts tailored to individual preferences, ensuring each SL25 meets the unique needs of its owner. An innovative rear garage system is available, capable of housing small cars, motorcycles, or bicycles, enhancing the versatility of the motorhome. The SL25 integrates advanced control systems, allowing users to manage various vehicle functions, such as lighting and climate control, via centralized interfaces. The Laramie Stock Combo is a premium livestock trailer designed for versatility, durability, and comfort, catering to both livestock transport and living quarters needs. The Laramie Stock Combo combines high-end features with rugged construction to accommodate ranchers, rodeo professionals, and livestock owners. The Stock Combo design means the trailer is divided into a livestock hauling area and a living quarters section, making it ideal for people who need to travel with their animals while also having a comfortable space to rest. The Laramie series features high-end interiors for comfort on the road. Fully equipped kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping areas make long trips more convenient. The Laramie Stock Combo is a top-tier choice for those who need both a livestock trailer and a comfortable mobile living space. Its high-end materials, durability, and customizable options make it a favorite among professionals in the livestock and equestrian industries. The Nightliner DD45 is a premium double-decker sleeper coach, meticulously designed to cater to the demanding needs of the entertainment and touring industries. It offers a harmonious blend of comfort, functionality, and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for extended tours and group travel. With approximately 50 square meters of floor space spread over 2 levels, the DD45 provides ample room for passengers and amenities. The upper deck can be configured to house up to 16 beds, offering flexible arrangements that may include lounges and suites tailored to specific requirements. The lower deck features a well-appointed galley alongside a comfortable lounge area, facilitating relaxation and social interaction during travel. The modular interior design allows for various configurations, enabling clients to customize the space to their preferences and needs. The Skydancer Cabrio is a unique and innovative motorhome that stands out as the world's first cabriolet camper van. Designed to offer an unparalleled open-air travel experience, this convertible motorhome combines the comfort of a luxury RV with the thrill of a panoramic rooftop view. The most distinctive feature is its retractable roof, which transforms the upper seating area into an open-air lounge, perfect for scenic road trips. It offers a roomy living space with a well-equipped kitchen, sleeping area, and modern bathroom facilities. The driver's cab and passenger seats are positioned higher than in standard motorhomes, providing better visibility and an immersive driving experience. The vehicle includes high-quality furnishings, LED lighting, and smart space utilization for maximum comfort. Whether you're exploring mountain roads, coastal highways, or countryside landscapes, this motorhome offers a unique way to experience the outdoors. The Coachmen Sportscoach is a luxury diesel pusher motorhome designed for comfort, spacious living, and long-term travel. Built on a Freightliner XC Series chassis, it offers a powerful Cummins ISB 6.7L turbo diesel engine, making it perfect for road trips and extended stays. Triple slide-outs create a roomy living space. Features residential-style furnishings with premium materials. Provides a king-size bed in the master bedroom, full bath plus half bath for convenience, plus washer and dryer prep for long-term travelers. Offers a modern kitchen and living space. Fireplace and 50-inch LED TV in the living area. Exterior entertainment center with a TV and speakers. The Sportscoach RD is ideal for full-time RVers, luxury travelers, and families looking for a spacious motorhome with high-end amenities. If you saw something that blew your mind, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the coolest content we drop. Got a favorite from today's list? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.